welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make chicken teriyaki on a stick with homemade sauce, strawberry and fennel salad. But before we get that started, I'm going to show you how to skew up 3 chicken breasts which are already ready to go. Let's start cooking. So good. Let's take it over to the stove and let's start cooking. Well, we have 6. Now, don't get rid of the sauce. This is the best part. And there you have it, chicken teriyaki on a stick. Just getting our beautiful fennel and strawberry salad ready. Just sliced up all the fennel, a little bit more. We got this beautiful part here for the garnishing. We're adding all the fennel with the rest of our beautiful vegetables. A little bit of parsley, drizzle of parsley. And this little furry stuff, we're actually gonna put that in too. The smell of this is a bit like licorice. Beautiful. A little bit of lemon juice. Salt. Pepper. Olive oil. Drizzle of olive oil. And we're gonna blend it all together. And there you have it, chicken teriyaki with fennel and strawberry salad. Wow, not only does it look great, it smells amazing. Wow. Now that's what I call a meal. Oh wow, gotta eat this one. Oh wow. Absolutely gorgeous, so tender, so soft. What can I say, this is really good. Gotta go guys, until next week, you look out for my next video. It's a beauty. Like and subscribe, press that notification button. Bye, have an amazing day.